Okay, today we are going to learn how to utilize the external tools with Adobe Lightroom. So when you go to this menu, you see Edit In, and in this menu you can see Edit in Adobe Photoshop CS3, which is installed in my system. Once you click in there here, and you will basically get a pop-up like this, and basically you can choose editing a copy, editing the original, copy with the Lightroom adjustment. So I mean, you can understand basically what it means. So we just do edit. It will create a copy, as you can see here, of the picture. Yeah, this here, and it will open the Adobe Photoshop in your system with that photograph. Now you can do the adjustments in the photograph, and then you can save it. For example, let's say we do this, and we basically save, crop, and okay, and we close it, and the photograph is here with the adjustments. Okay, other than this, basically you can choose some other photographs as well, other tools as well. So edit in other application, when you choose, you can choose get the preferences. These preferences are basically, these are like here, and I suppose you can actually add some other external editors as well. Oh wait, just give me a second. Okay, I can't see it here, but you can actually choose additional if you have some additional ones. Okay, I'll show you another ones which I already have here, which are some of the old Google suite, which is, for example, Silver FX Pro. This one is a magnificent software for creating the black and white pictures. So okay, you can see it has a lot of presence, and it gives you a very quick and nice, really original looking, high contrast black and white pictures. It's really good. Anyway, other than this, depending on the tools, you just have to check the compatibility with the Lightroom, and you can, as I showed you earlier, you can actually bring some other tools using this option, and you can utilize the features of other tools which are not available in Lightroom. For example, Lightroom doesn't allow you to create the borders if you really want to put the border in the photograph. So you can use Photoshop for that. And if you want to utilize some other presets which are not available in Lightroom, then you can utilize the external tools for that. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.